Hi guys, Chris from Handyman here. Just wanted to show you a very short video on doorknobs, IKEA doorknobs for your IKEA cabinets. So yeah, we're at that stage now, which is great. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to mark them up and drill them in, and yeah, so let's have a look. So here's my door, lovely standard method door, method, IKEA. Anyway, you've kind of got to visualize a square if you want to get a dead center doorknob. This is the doorknob that's going to be going on. Measure your square up. So can you see that's 3 inches? Inches, interesting. Okay. Yeah, 3 by 3. So half of 3. So yeah, 1.5. You need to draw a line by 1.5 inches. So we're going to draw a line there and there. So you've got like a cross, and then the center of that cross is going to be your point. Make sure it's the lightest pencil mark you can do, so you're not there for hours trying to scrub it off later. Okay, so you can see my line that's gone across, really faint, and I've done one top to bottom, but I stopped myself. I've only just kind of put the line where it meets, so that's where your spot's going to be. Okay. So let's have a look at some of the hardware we're using. Obviously that's this doorknob. This is the screw that's going to be sat at the back of the cupboard. That's going to go directly into the knob. And your screw fix pencil, obviously. Shout out to screw fix. I'm going to be drilling the cupboard with your closest drill bits to the bolt, to the screw. So it doesn't matter if it's a little bit over. It's just I wouldn't advise doing it under, because it might put a bit of stress on the cupboard door. But yeah, no biggie. Just try and match it up. To drill this hole, you're going to have to excuse this little gap at the top. I'm going to be sorting out the cupboards, aligning them at the end, so I'll show you a video on how to adjust these IKEA doors because it's really handy. Right, here we go then. Line it up, put a little bit of pressure on, go slowly to start with, and then as soon as you see it biting, apply a bit of pressure, and in it goes. Yeah, there we go. So you get your screw, pop it in, push it through. There it is. You get your knob, and from here it's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, you just screw that onto there. You can get your screwdriver. Obviously, that's a Phillips head. One sec. Okay, so we've got the screwdriver. I think I need another hand for this, so yeah, obviously that's spinning at the moment, so hold on to your knob. There we go, bang, it's in. And let's have a look. Lovely.